the? Oh my. Wow. It's like a major storm. Look at all this on the floor. It's literally going on my tablet. Bro. I feel so sorry for that. This is nothing. This is nothing like a hurricane. My eye. What? Oh my gosh, look at the floor. It's like a what? It's like a rainstorm. Oh my eye. Shit. Shoot. Hey, that looks like our car over there. Anyways. A vlog about category 2. I mean, a vlog about category 1. Windstorm. Look at this. This is blowing like crazy. No, it's not. No more. Oh, look. Bro, look at the floor. Bro. Now this is at category 0. But before, everything was flying up to the roof up there. Yo. This thing is insane. Oh, look at the cloud over there. Look at that. That's a big cloud. Yo. Luckily I'm not there. Over there. Where that big cloud is. Oh shoot, look. And look at all that stuff on the floor. Actually, this happened when I woke up. I saw this. So, shivering inside. And look at that. Literally, that thing is falling off. Only if you could see that. You can kind of see it. But yo. This is a vlog about a rainstorm. Trust me. Vlog about a rainstorm. Maybe I'll get back to you when it has a bigger thing like this. So, bye. This is the shortest video ever, even though my tablet's all wet. But, look at that pigeon. That pigeon, where is it? I feel sorry for the guy walking in the rain, even though I'm in my balcony. But yo, it's the shortest video, a 5-minute vlog. That's it. Wow. I wouldn't even use an umbrella for this. But, sorry guys, we're gonna have to leave in 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.